Guess I could say welcome, guys. But this is Brandon from the Bronco Project, and I'm just gonna get started with the first video. So I got a new part came in. It's the vacuum modulator. I got some problems switching in my transmission, so gonna try this out. Hopefully that works. But came from Tom's Bronco Parts. Got their catalog here. Great thing to look through and get new parts for. And then got another sticker for my dad. His original one's kind of faded, so I'm gonna put that on today and hopefully that goes well. But I'm gonna run to the parts store and grab some things before we go, and I'll see you guys in a minute.
Aside from my soul,
Okay, so I got the modulator, but I have no idea how to get this thing out. Some people say there's a bracket, some of them are screw-on, but this one's not. So we're just gonna get underneath and hopefully get it out. I got the drain pan in case it leaks a little bit. Some people have had that problem, so let's get to it. Oh, that's the modulator right there. But nothing's too hot right now. A little bit on the exhaust, but looks like a bracket's holding them up on right there. So we'll get the socket set to get that out and pull this guy out. Still got a little bit of transmission fluid, but the broken ones, they say that if it is broken, it's gonna have transmission fluid in it. So I'm gonna check that out, and there's supposed to be a pin at the top. I'm gonna grab that too and not lose it because the new one didn't come with it. But so we'll get to that. Okay, so there's the pin. It kind of just pops out, and I'm gonna put it on the new one. And this was the bracket holding it up. Pretty simple, and it's draining a little bit. So I'm gonna try and get that new one in real quick, and we'll drive it probably. Yeah. Okay, so the bracket doesn't fit on this new one for some reason. So this one kind of has that piece around it, but the other one, the new one's all the way rounded, and this one's really small for it. So I might look into getting a new ring for it or bracket, but if that doesn't work, I'm gonna do some research and see. But it is on and whatnot. There is a screw in the inside of this where you can adjust it to where if you go in on the screw, you're gonna get like later shifts, and if you go out on the screw, you're gonna get earlier shifts. So I just left it in the middle where it came, and we're gonna see how that does. But for now, I'm just gonna take it on a test drive. Hopefully nothing happens. It's pretty solid right now. I don't think I'm gonna need to bracket, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, so first off, this new part really wasn't gonna work. It doesn't have the bracket holder that I needed for putting it on and making sure it stays there. So I'm gonna do some research, because when we restored it, they put in a different transmission case rather than the C4. It's now a C6 transmission case with the same innards as the C4. So we're gonna see if I can find a C6 replacement, and I guess hopefully that'll work out. But I added transmission fluid just in case, and kind of backed out the screw a little bit, so I got some earlier shifts, and we're gonna see if that helps. But next thing we're gonna do is change out the transmission fluid and transmission filter, and hopefully the transmission does a little bit better. I still don't have reverse, and the shifts are still not perfect, so we're gonna see what it does. But thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you when I do the transmission work.